Salad has to be a Greek word because we have so many of them, and they're all delicious. Today, I'm making a warm green bean salad. I have most of my beans already cut. I'm just getting through the last of them here. You definitely want to use fresh beans for this salad, not frozen, but you can use any variety of fresh green bean. So the next step is to blanch the greens for a few minutes, and I've got salted water boiling here. Beans are going right in. You want to do this carefully because the water's quite hot. We just want the beans to blanch for about a minute, maybe 2, if you want them a little more tender, but I like them nice and green and crispy like that. So the next thing I want to do is toast the hazelnuts. Get the frying pan warm. We want to get a coarse chop or halve the hazelnuts. I'm going to get these into the dry skillet. The skillet's hot, and when you toast nuts, you just want to keep them moving in the pan. Okay, the nuts are toasted. I'm just going to turn them off and get going on the parsley. I have a couple of roasted red peppers here. Those are also going into the salad. I'm just going to make a very simple vinaigrette with this. A little bit of red wine vinegar. Some extra virgin Greek olive oil. You always put the acid in first before you start whisking in the fat. I'm just going to season that very simply with a little bit of salt and pepper. My favorite Greek sea salt. And some pepper. Time to serve up the salad, and I'm just going to mound the green beans in the serving dish. Next, the red peppers. The minced onions. And the hazelnuts. A little bit of parsley next. And our dressing. Spoon that right over the top. So you can see how simple this is. This is the Mediterranean on a plate. It's really healthy, it's fresh. A little taste. The simple things in life are the best. And this salad is a great example of that. It's fresh, it's made with everyday ingredients, stuff you can find at your local supermarket. It's very Mediterranean, it's very Greek. It's absolutely delicious, so enjoy.